Hey there! Today I'm diving into something that's on everyone's mind lately: AI and its impact on American jobs. Should you be concerned? Let's break it down. First up, let's talk about rural jobs. There's a new committee in Georgia that's investigating how AI could change job landscapes in rural areas. Some people are worried about job losses, but others see AI as a big chance for growth. Think about it, AI could revolutionize agriculture, healthcare, and even education. But we need to prepare our workforce for these changes. That means updating educational programs to include AI-related skills. It's all about adapting to the future. Now on to IT jobs. The IT sector is being transformed by AI. A whopping 92% of IT jobs could be affected, especially those mid- and low-level positions. Basic programming is becoming less critical, while skills in AI ethics and rapid engineering are on the rise. Big companies like Cisco, Google, and IBM are teaming up to launch reskilling initiatives. Their goal? Equip millions with the skills needed in the AI era. This highlights the crucial role of collaboration between industries and educational institutions. Finally, the big picture: the uncertain future of work in the age of AI. There are mixed opinions out there. Some experts say AI will boost productivity, while others worry about mass unemployment. Historically, technological advancements haven't led to fewer jobs overall but have caused income inequality. The key is to distribute AI's benefits equitably and ensure workers can adapt. Lifelong learning and skills development are going to be crucial. So, should you be concerned about AI's impact on your job? It's a complex issue, but rather than seeing AI as a threat, we should focus on how it can enhance productivity and create new opportunities. It's all about a collaborative effort between policymakers, industry leaders, and educational institutions. Together, we can ensure that workers are ready for the future and that the benefits of AI are shared by all. That's it for today. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more insights. Catch you next time.